In this video, I'll show you how to use Wispr Flow to streamline your coding workflow within Claude. I start by clicking into the message bar and activating Wispr Flow to dictate my prompt naturally instead of typing it out. I'm asking Claude to create a Python script that fetches the current top 10 trending repositories from GitHub using their public API. I specify that the script should parse the JSON response to extract the repository name, owner, star count, and description, then save everything into a formatted CSV file with built-in error handling. Once I stop dictating, the text appears instantly, and I hit send to let Claude begin the work. You can see the interface update as Claude processes the request, identifying the necessary skills for CSV formatting and script generation. In just a few seconds, Claude produces both the Python source code and a live preview of the CSV data in the artifacts window on the right. The results show a perfectly organized table with the latest trending projects, their owners, and current star counts. Claude also provides a concise breakdown explaining how the script fetches data from the GitHub Search API and handles potential issues like rate limits or connection errors. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.